Good morning. How are we doing? Trust we are great. Okay, in our today's class, we're going to be learning something new. Though we're going to have a revisit to our previous class. Last time we talked about addition and subtraction of money. I decided to give us something new. But we're going to have a revisit and then clear up that one. Now, in today's class, we're going to be talking about area of squares and rectangles. Do we know these two shapes? I bet we do. Okay, now let's quickly go over to the board and know what area is. Area is the space taken up by a shape or an object. Did you get that? The space taken up by a shape or object. Now there are various units for measuring shape, for measuring area. Now we have the square centimeter, which is known as cm squared, the square meter, known as m squared, and the square kilometer, known as km squared, that's kilometer square. Now, the one we mostly use is this one. We mostly use cm squared. We also use this one occasionally, but we rarely use kilometer square for our what? For our stage. Now let's look at this. This is a unit square. So the area is what? 1 cm square. This is what? We have 2 units here. So we have that the area is what? 2 square centimeter. That is 2 cm square. Now how many units do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So we have that the area of this shape is what? 3 square centimeters. Can you see that? Good. Now let's take a look. Finding area of shapes by counting unit squares. For us to get the area of this shape now, we're going to count these unit squares. I hope you can see the unit squares. Good. Now this is a rectangle, and we know that one property of a rectangle is that it has what? 2 opposite sides equal. Has 4 sides, but 2 opposite sides are what? Equal. Now for us to get this now, we just count the units we have here. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So how many units do we have? 30 units. Hence the area of the shape is what? 30 square centimeters. Can you see that? Good. Now look at this one. This is what? A square. And how do we know what a square is? A square has all the sides equal. Now let's check it. We'll see that the columns here will have the same number with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get that? So let's get the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Don't mind why I counted it. So the area is what? 16 square centimeters. Now let's look at this. Finding area of shapes using what? Formula. This is a square. All the sides are equal. So area is equal to what? Side times side, which is S squared. Or length times length, which is what? L squared. Okay? Now let's look at a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 opposite sides equal. This is a length, this is a length. This is a width, this is a width. Can you see that? Good. Now the area is what? Length times width. That is the formula. Now let's look at the first example. Find the area of these shapes. So we're going to use the formula. This is a rectangle. The length and the width. You see how I stated them? I listed the parameters. Length is 10 cm. Width is what? 6 cm. So area is equal to what? Length times width, which is 10 cm times 6 cm to give us what? 60 cm squared. Now this is a square. The area, the formula is side times side. All the sides are equal. So I have that the area is what? 5 cm times 5 cm to give me what? 25 cm. Did you get that? Good. Now we've come to the end of our class. There are more examples to be given, but I want you to do that yourself. Take your time, set questions for yourself, and then answer. Our classwork will also be sent. Check our website for that. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.